Yo, you banging in the merge beat.
Came from the bottom, straight painted on alley walls, acting a fool in the streets while mama called. Young knuckle-headed, always on the move. A victim of poverty, never paid attention to school. Grew up on sardines and a box of top ramen. Sleepless nights on roaches on my blanket rolling. Mom's praying every day, asking God for help. Using next month's rent for food on the shelf. It's hard, so I had to do what I had to do. Pop screws at them tools, had a lot to lose. My goals are fat in my pockets until they all bruise. Had to push weight just to get something brand new. Lost moms at 15, so my new thing is to spit through 16. So 17 and 18, kept my faith in God so I can make it through 19 through 21.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming, you know what I'm talking about. Woo! I don't know where I'd be if I wasn't here right now. I'd probably be locked up somewhere in the back 6 feet under. But I'm right here, you know what I'm talking about? We on top. We gon' do this, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, making it. Yeah, right to the top. Push right through the struggle like we're not gon' stop. Cause I seen them out on top, ain't no time to flop. Got music in my soul, so I'm so hip-hop. Swagger right, game tight, turn it up a notch. Street scholars on the rise, banging down the block. Don't rate, don't top, so the album gon' knock. From a little to a lot, so the bottles gon' pop.
I'm ready to pray, ready to change my next ways. Maintain the game bang and flipping the page after page. Hop on some money shit while I'm ripping and flipping and dashing on you haters like I play for the Lakers. Street house holler. We on the top making dollars. To my usos in the pit, your boys still popping collars and walking like wild wallers with nothing but pit bulls acting a fool. On top of the food chain talking about.
I know I had to sacrifice a couple things to be here, but I had to do what I gotta do in order for my family to survive. I know it's hard out here. We gon' live through this. You know what I'm talking about? Chill.
Yo, at age 18, I became a man. Cause the Lord called my dad, so I took his stand. Had to shoot for my dreams, obey that rent. Mama crying every night, she couldn't take that stress. Got evicted from my home, so we had to shake. I was only 18 with a different mind state. See the kids went to school and enjoy themselves, but I struggled every night to put that food on the shelf. See my little brother June, he my right hand man. He was only 15 when my dad had passed. Situation forced us to grow up so fast. Had to take care of moms and my little loved ones. Hey mama, I know I act a fool, but I put that on my life to take care of you. And we halfway up, cause the bottom is way down. I can see the top now, ain't no time to back down.